Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to sign up into Grindr. For that, just open your Grindr app, and now what you need to do is you need to tap on sign up button, and you have to read their terms and service, and then you have to read their terms of service and privacy policy. And after reading, tap on that button, and you have to enter your email address and your date of birth, and you can simply go and log in with your Facebook, Google or Apple, and tap on that Facebook icon if you wanna use it with your Facebook, and then tap on continue with Facebook icon, because that will be a lot of, and because that will make you a lot easier. You have to enter your date of birth and then tap on next button, and they will ask you to add a photo, your name and your age and your position and what you're looking for. And simply after filling all of that, tap on next button. That is how you can sign up into your Grindr. And I hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.